And now, so, the next question you must know, I really like you, but this is the format, okay? Till date, your most popular customers are still the digital-only banks, neobanks, or the offshoot digital banks of the main banks. You're still not in that core of a main bank, right? Why is that? Like, obviously the product is great. I know a few people who have rolled it out. They say great things about it. Why are you not transforming the core of big banks today?
So I think your categorization is wrong, but that's fine.
Yes.
We are transforming the main banks. It just takes a long time for that to become to fruition. And as one of the phrases we use in Thought Machine is think big, start small. The think big is the transformation of the bank. The start small is the build an architecture that you can move towards as your target state. The best way to do that is to get business users onto it and get customers onto it. One of the ways you can do that is launch either a new channel or a new product or a new feature. And it looks like some people use these words speedboat. I hate the phrase, but it's something that runs alongside that's faster than your current bank. No, what you're doing is you're building the architecture for the future and then you're moving things onto it. So Intesa Sanpaolo in Italy has been very open about the fact that it's a 3 to 5 year program for them to migrate the whole of their main bank. What we've done is launch a digital bank called EasyBank, or they've done, which is the new target architecture. It's built for the main bank. It's not built for EasyBank per se. It's built for the main bank, but with a materially lower cost to serve. And the goal was to migrate a load of customers across to solve that, to lower the cost to serve for some of those customers and provide them better products. And then the migration work begins to move the customers across, not necessarily in a big bang, but you move them product by product and fill up this new architecture. So we're doing that across nearly 7 banks, major tier ones in the world, and doing it for some of the smaller banks, if you like, some of the regional or domestic banks to do exactly those. So they may look like digibank and some of them are, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we had some massive successes for Standard Chartered with Trust and Mox, which I'm so proud of, and the work that's gone on there, because it's actually setting a benchmark for a lot of the industry to follow. And I know you've had different people on from Trust and others onto the podcast before. But if we hugely, they're good. They set a goal, but what we really want to be doing is moving the rest of the bank across.
Okay, and so you're saying this is a step-by-step process, multi-year process, etc. Now, this brings me to my next question. And